Today, I would like to speak about a genetic disorder presentation, and I would like to speak on you. First of all, I would like to speak on eukaryotic cells. And in this diagram, you can easily see eukaryotic chromosomes. It shows DNA and chromosome eukaryotic structure. And uh, in my next slide, I would like to say the organization of eukaryotic chromosome. The eukaryotic chromosomes consist of DNA protein that are organized in a compact manner, which permits large amount of DNA to be stored in nucleus of cell. The subunit design of the chromosome is chromatin. The functional unit of chromatin is nucleosome, as it's already shown in the diagram. So